Hey, what's up everyone? Michael Shih here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to jump right into content because there's some really exciting stuff happening inside Facebook. There's some changes I want to talk about, so I don't want you to miss out a thing because I know a lot of people are using Facebook as their traffic source. So you need to know about these changes, these updates whenever they occur. So if you have not subscribe to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe right now, and also smash that notification bell to get all my latest updates. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on all these updates. So let's dive into content right away. The first thing is the Facebook interface. So let me pull up my browser over here so you can take a look. So the interface changed a little bit. In my opinion, it's so much easier to navigate compared to the previous update where they moved the navigation tabs to the left, which was really hard to use, but they actually moved it back to the top, which I like it so much more. But they also kept the folder feature over here, so you can expand these folders to see what's inside the ad set level and also inside the ad creative level very easily over here. So overall, the interface just changed slightly. Basically, the menu bar from here got moved back to the top, whereas campaign, ad set, and ads, the most important thing that you need to look at. All right, and also the folders are over here as well, and also makes it much easier to view your campaigns since we are going into campaign budget optimization as the default objective down the road. So I believe they made this change so it's easier to navigate when the switch happens, and I believe that will be February. They always change the date, so at the moment my sources tell me it's February, so get ready for that. But overall, the interface is so much cleaner, so much easier to navigate, and I really like it. Let me know in the comment below. Let me know what you think about this new interface. Now I know not everybody have the new update. They kind of roll out these updates in phases, so you might see it, you might not, but in my opinion, this is a really good update on Facebook end. All right, so that is the first update that I want to talk about. The second update is actually with your stories inside Instagram and also Facebook. They actually added some new templates you can use, so it makes creating ads so much easier inside Instagram. So you can take a look at these new templates over here, and to find these templates, it's in your ad creative section. So just make sure you are on Facebook stories or Instagram. Once you upload this image of yours, so this right now looks really ugly, right? It doesn't look that good in Instagram, but you can actually go to select placement and customize, and depending on which placement you want to edit, you can actually choose different templates. Now I don't have this new update in this profile just yet, so as you can see, if I go to Instagram stories, I don't have templates on the top, and where you see their sample over here, templates over here. All right, but you can use templates inside when you delete that image and just use video templates over here, and you can still select the templates in here. Let me just find it. So we have these templates here you can use. Of course, depending on what product, you just have to find the right template for you. And that's really interesting how they actually implement this into their system. They actually made creating ad much easier with their templates for slideshow and also templates for videos as well, which is really cool to see. Like I said, right now I only can access these templates in this area over here. When I add media, it doesn't show up for me just yet, but maybe in your ad manager. So give that a test if you're using Instagram placement. Use your template, see how it does. I know the slideshow template works really well if you don't want to create your own video. These little small adjustments to your slides will really stand out compared to just static slide going back and forth. So give that a try. Now, the last update, it's a big one, is actually called the Creative Studio, because Facebook want you to produce more content and make it easy for you as well. You can actually create content on your Creative Studio over here and also schedule those posts right away. Before, there's no software like this. You need to install or subscribe to a third-party program to actually get access to schedule your posts. Now you don't have to do that. You can actually do it right inside Facebook, which is really nice because for me, sometimes editing on the phone is really hard. So for this software over here, once you go to business.facebook.com/creative studio, you can see this interface. The first one is basically Facebook. If you want to schedule your stories or your feed, you can create your post over here. Now, most importantly is the Instagram feature over here, where you can get all your posts in this window. And then when you create your post, you can select if it's Instagram feed or IGTV. So go ahead and select the feed option. And when you post some text, for example, over here, and then you want to upload a content, and then you can either publish or click on this arrow button, and then it will show you schedule, and then you can schedule your post that way. This is really cool feature, and I'm sure a lot of people will be using this. It's just very simple, and also you can see your insights and connect to different Instagram accounts as well right inside Creative Studio. All right, so that is Creator Studio, and I actually want to mention another update that Facebook recently implemented in their system, and that is this feature over here called Why Am I Seeing This Ad? Now, this feature is not new, but they did add more transparency in the details that they show us as marketers. So right here on this screen over here, this is actually a screenshot from my phone. When you click on this three dots over here, you get this menu, and when you click on Why Am I Seeing This, you'll see this screen on the next page. So before we only have one interest, now you can see this advertiser is targeting online shopping, Halloween, and more. So we get a more transparent idea of how they're targeting you, and this is a great way to see how advertisers are actually marketing to you, so you can see how you can get that information and implement it into your own business as well. It's always good to keep tab on your competition, see what they're doing, or even good ads that you're seeing on your phone, on your news feed. Always save them and go back to them, see how you can dissect them and learn from these ads. All right, so that is Why Am I Seeing This? And here's another screenshot, and it's saying online shopping and Christmas, right, for this product over here. So it's really interesting, all these changes that is currently happening inside Facebook, and it's really cool to see. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also comment below, let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click on that notification bell to get all my latest updates. You don't want to miss out. Talk to you soon. Take care.